My dog.
A luxury.
Live better. Oh, for sure. Live better. Yeah. It's live better, but it's short for less. No, for real. My dog just passed away from a heart attack. I'm being real about this shit. Man, my dog locked it in. We made 20K in the first week together. Shit, we don't even know each other. Your heart trust each other. I thought this nigga was a cop. Cause he a white boy bringing everything through. 1,000 for a zone, 500 for a half. I ain't cut no prices and they buying on my slabs. Got me wanting light if these niggas finna set me up. But I fucked up. I trust nigga. Can't be doing them like that for real. But that my dog. He never showed me no wrong. Kept it real. Now my boy gone for sure. Shit got me fucked up for real. Now my head going crazy for real. Got me reminiscing about this shit for real. Now my dog gone for real. Live better. 20,000 in the week, I guess we live better. Everybody expect the shit. 40,000 in a month. Did some different shit. Only made some more shit. Got my white dog and told him come and get his shit for real. Nobody believe it. I guess we doing better. Live better, that's what it is.
A luxury.
I understand what I'm talking about. My dog in heaven know exactly what I mean. 20,000 in a week, 40,000 in a month. Before they talk about, we ain't even selling runs. It's all white shit, it's coming all off the edge. It's all white shit, I'm getting it all off my pocket. Real. Pull it out my pocket. Live better, tell them what it do.
A luxury.
Rest in peace, my dog. Live better, tell them what it do.